Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2018 INFINITI QX30. This is, these are rare and they're not. They like come into our lot and we'll have 3 of them and then all of a sudden we'll have none for like 3 months. These are pretty rare cars. And they're pretty unique. They only made them for I think 3 years. You had the QX30, and it was a really cool car. Essentially the exact same thing as a GLA, same platform, same basic body, but all the design elements are all INFINITI. However, it's Mercedes. As a matter of fact, Mercedes and INFINITI are still partnered to this day, which I was surprised to learn. Pano roof. The 2-liter in this is a Mercedes designed motor. I think either the Q50 2-liter or this one was built by INFINITI. This one has dual clutch. Pretty impressive, honestly. So the QX30 obviously slotted beneath the QX50, which took a break for 2018. This one's of course a 2018. So actually this specific car didn't really go up against the QX50. It didn't partner with it because there was no 2018 QX50. What happened was the QX50 became a 2019. It skipped a year. Very much like what happened with the QX60. There is no such thing as a 2021 QX60. It doesn't exist. It was never created. It merged itself to the 2022. This motor has a lot of torque to it. You really don't have to dig for the power. It's not hidden up in the upper RPMs. It's all right there. That's one thing INFINITI does well with their turbo motors, is all the torque is immediately there. Red Sport is a little different. You'll really notice it'll pick up in the upper RPMs, but it still has that huge low-down torque that makes it perfect for daily driving. Because in reality, you shouldn't have to dig for power. Put it into sport. It's gonna hold revs, make everything a little bit touchier, more responsive, I should say. Yeah, that torque's right there. Pulls harder at 2,500 than it does at 6,500. Actually, no, red line's a little before, so I think it's shifted at 65. Weird to say this, but it's almost diesel-like. Where, I mean, it has power in the upper RPM, but you don't have to get acceleration. You don't have to rev it out to get acceleration. All the torque lies down low. For example, it's 3,000 RPM. That was good. 4,000. That's peak power. Peak torque and power is like 4,500 to 5. After 5, you're just basically wasting energy, honestly. And I want to say this is the only Infiniti product in history to have a dual clutch. Engine braking solid. Typically with dual clutches, engine braking is a little bit more aggressive. This is the case here too. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.